Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. So markets rallied further. Now Nifty has shot up more than 500 points from the recent low. The recent low was just about 3 or 4 trading sessions before. October month is known as bear killer month, and that is being established once again. And in the last 10 years, except 1 year in 2018, all other 9 years, Nifty has given a positive return. So right now, Nifty is positive for the month of October, but we still have another 10 more trading sessions for this series. But the next 10 trading sessions are going to be even more important because of corporate results. The first big corporate result is out, and TCS, it seems that it's a good result, or at least to say it's not a bad result. And they have announced buyback at 4,150 rupees per share, whereas the price is trading around only at 3,600. And I don't know, I have to see the details, but most of the time the beneficiary will be the Tata Sons. I think the Tata Sons holding a large chunk of TCS shares. So they have come out with a dividend of 9 rupees also. So it looks like, it's a decent result. So that is why the GIFT Nifty is not reacting, or the Infosys ADR is also not reacting. Just now I check Infosys ADR, there is hardly any trade in that. So it's almost at the same price as yesterday only. So if there is any adverse, or either the too good or too bad, so the pre-market there will be a lot of activity. So anyway, after 7 p.m. we will know in the US markets. So European markets came under some slight selling pressure, but despite that our market continued to move. You look at the last 6 weeks of market price action. From the beginning of September, 19,200, it went all the way to 20,200. From 20,200, it came back all the way to 19,300. Now from 19,300, in just 3-4 trading sessions, it has gone up to close to 19,900, the future. A spot is around 19,800. And the future premium was hardly 10 points few days before. Now the premium is about 50-60 points. So it was a purely short covering rally. However, FIIs are still selling, but they are selling less. Today they have sold only for about 420 crores, while the domestic institutions have bought for 1,030 crore. So looking at the open interest, 19,800 put option has the highest open interest, whereas the market closed somewhere there only, and people are so confident. But anyway, it's just only one more day. So tomorrow, as long as the market opened flat, so the people who have sold, even if they have sold it at the end of the day, they will be making some profits. So now market is likely to become long. Still Nifty has not become long technically, as per the technical which I am following. It's still not long, but it's very close. So once 19,920 is crossed, the Nifty becomes long. So last 6 weeks, it has been very, very volatile. So on the way up, it has become long at 19,700, went up to 20,200, came back breaking 19,740, that became short, and then from there it came to 19,300, now again going up. So in case if 19,920 is crossed, there is a very high possibility the Nifty will make all-time high in this series itself. It all depends upon corporate results. So at least the beginning of the corporate result is not bad, so it's good. So we will see tomorrow. So what is going to happen? So meanwhile, the producer price index from US came, and which is slightly higher than what is expected, but US markets are not reacting. So I think there also the short covering is going on. For a 4th straight day, US markets are likely to close, but anyway, so we can only talk about the opening now. Closing, we don't know where it will close, but things are looking very good in US also. So we will see where US market closes today, where the Indian markets open tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.